again here for day 2, and today I would like to make some whimsical stripes and would like to also tell you something about me, story. Something happened to me the other day that made me think about how much we try to control everything and how much we think about something. So what happened? I was sitting with my watercolors thinking about what should I make or what should I paint. I had my paper ready. I had put my washi tape. My colors were ready. My brush was ready. But I had absolutely no idea what I wanted to paint. And you know what happened? Somehow that made me feel little restless. I kept thinking, what should I make? Will it look nice? Should I paint flowers? Maybe I should paint a landscape. And then I thought, why does everything have to become something? So I dipped my brush into little color and simply made a stripe. Nothing special, just a loose wobbly stripe across the paper. And that is what I'm doing on the paper. So I could manage to do the recording for that. Then I took another color and made another one, and I added some more shades to the same color. I didn't have to think at all. I just had to move my brush from one side to the other. You can see this is so relaxing. So that's what where we are going to do today. Let's forget about making a perfect painting. Choose any color you like. Today I'm not focusing on any type of color. Add a little water to it and make your first stripe like how I did mine. Let it be loose, let it be uneven. If it bends a little or it goes zigzag, that's perfectly fine. Mine is already looking a little crooked, and maybe purposely I made it like that because that was making my mind relax more than focusing on making a straight line. I'm going to leave it that way only, whatever is coming out of the brush. I'm adding another color and then another color beside it. Maybe I'll choose pink this time, and this is what I have done. I've chosen pink, and this is a little fluorescent pink, little brighter pink, I mean, and it was so beautiful. I think the camera is not able to capture the beauty of the color. So, guys, try to make these beautiful stripes with your brush, with whatever color you want. If you don't have colors, you can start making it with coffee also. That is also really very relaxing. After this, maybe I'll be taking some yellow. You can choose whatever colors are sitting in front of you. Don't copy my design, or you don't have to stress yourself that you have to follow me or you have to focus me. There doesn't really have to be a plan. I remember as a child, I used to enjoy coloring much more when nobody told me what the picture was supposed to look like. I could make the sky purple if I wanted, the grass could be blue also. And the flowers, oh, it could be of any color I imagined. Anything can be black also. Somewhere along the way, we became adults and started worrying about whether things are right or whether things are wrong. So this is what I want to explain through art therapy. Today, let's forget that for a few minutes, you have to focus on any particular design or you have to be a perfectionist. Let's just play. I'm adding another stripe. This time I added pink and a little darker magenta. And perhaps next I might make yellow. Can you see how the colors are beginning to sit together? I'm just adding little water to blend it. I'm loving the pattern, whatever is coming. Some are bright, some are soft, some are almost disappearing into the water. And that's okay. Not everything has to stand out. Some things can simply be there quietly, you know, just softly. My stripes are reminding me of little paths. So I'm going to add some doodles later on. For making these stripes, you don't have to draw any line with the pencil. You can just straight away dip your brush in water and take some color and simply paint. A few simple stripes which has slowly turned into something completely your own. Maybe it looks like a garden to you, or it looks like a colorful dream. Maybe it doesn't look like anything at all. And that is perfectly fine. Art doesn't always mean needs to have a meaning. Sometimes it can simply be a moment of joy, and that is what I'm doing. I'm taking deep breath in and slowly breathing out. Look at my painting. Does it remind me of myself? Think that way. You don't have to be perfect. You can be playful, you can be slow, you can slow down, you can give yourself permission to simply enjoy. Carry that feeling with you today. And whenever life feels a little too serious, pick up your colors, make a whimsical stripe, add a little doodle, and give yourself another 10 minutes of peace. So, this is what I have been doing. Don't think what should I make, and don't overthink of how it will look, and whether it will look good or not, whether you should make circles, whether you should make uh, petals, leaves, nothing like that. These are the beautiful watercolor markers I got from Singapore this time, and I'm doing some doodling with these pens, and I'm trying it for the first time. If you want to doodle, or if you want to make any patterns in your stripes, that is totally your wish. You don't have to copy me, because I have the habit of continuing the process until I finish my doodling. You can come back whenever you want and whenever you need to color more, to sit quietly, to do little more doodling, or little playing with the stripes. It's not necessary that you have to complete the doodling or the painting in one go. This is your relaxing moment. And in this moment, nobody is forcing you to finish off everything in one go. You can stop wherever you feel that it is enough for you and you are relaxed now. And you can reopen the book, your sketchbook, whenever you feel that now you need another dose of relaxing. I call it dose because it is really a medication for me. I've gone through a lot of sorrows in last few weeks, and I'm really thankful to art therapy that I could really bring myself up from those days. I always start with something, and in between sometimes I stop and I continue with the same thing. I reopen it after a few days, and then I try to make something new. Sometimes, you know what happens? Whatever you're making is at that moment. Whatever your mind is going through, you will be making at that moment. Later on, if you open it and do it, your mind will be in a different state. So you will come up with another idea. Try that one day. You will come to know what I'm trying to say. Once you finish playing with colors, honestly speaking, I think that sometimes, exactly what we need only comes out in our painting. So before you finish, take a look at yours. Take a look at your painting or picture or whatever doodling. Don't ask yourself whether it's good. Instead, ask yourself, did I enjoy it? If the answer is yes, then you have already created something worthwhile and the best thing in the world. And if your day has been a little difficult, I hope these 15 minutes gave you a small break from it. As I told you, we will be doing 5 days continuously the art therapy sessions. So you can come back to this whenever you need it and relax your mind while I do all my artwork. The video came out too long actually. I never expected, because I went with the flow and I kept on doodling and making the things whatever was coming in my mind. I was just not focusing on the time. This is how even you have to do. You don't have to focus on the time. Initially, maybe you will be doing only for 2 minutes. That's completely fine. So until my next video, take care of yourself and don't forget to leave a little space in your day for something completely unnecessary and completely joyful. Understood? I hope you have enjoyed my video. See you in my next video tomorrow. After we finish these 5 days joyful meditation and art therapy sessions, I will be starting with live sessions. First, we will be doing just for 3 days. Then we will come to 5 days, then 7 days, then 10 days, and then 15 days. That's it. So, see you all in my next video. Take care of yourself. Do subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up if you like it, because that really keeps me motivated and it really gives happiness. Until my next video, take care. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.